Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just received Insta360 ACE PRO. This camera in here is a direct competitor to the GoPro Hero 12 Black. I haven't opened it up yet cause it just literally came to my house. So in this video guys, let's do a quick unboxing of Insta360 ACE PRO and see what's inside of the package. I must admit that I heard good news about it and I cannot wait to test it out for you. So let's do it. So this is how Insta360 ACE PRO looks like. You see, I tried to play with it for a while now and honestly, I don't even know where to begin. So first of all, this camera in here can record up to 8K resolution in 24 frames per second. I mean, wow, not even GoPro or DJI Action can do that. Apart from that, it can record 4K up to 120 frames per second or 1080p up to 240 frames per second. Now let's go to the photo mode, and what I notice in here is that this camera in here can capture up to 48 megapixel photos, which is once again higher than what GoPro Hero 12 Black can do. And the whole navigation between different settings is just so easy and intuitive. It is a little bit different than a GoPro, but you're not overwhelmed by it. So from the bottom, you can change the resolution, frame rate, or aspect ratio. And that's pretty much everything you need for most of the time. It's nice and clear. Now let's come back from here and swipe from the side. And in here you can change the color profile, EV compensation, white balance, but there's also something completely new like face priority or matrix, which gonna completely change the way the camera exposes the whole scene. There is a low light stabilization setting, which can enhance the stability of your indoor shots or low light shots. Now, from the top, you have a quick access to frequently used settings, such as, for example, voice commands or gesture control. I mean, yeah, you can control this camera using your hand. You also have screen brightness and quick capture feature. Now let's swipe to the side. Here you have volume control, LED lights, grid, audio settings, etc. Anyway, my point is that it's all very quick and easy to access to. So overall, Insta360 ACE Pro seems to be like a serious competitor for GoPro. It can record 8K resolution, 48 megapixel photos, and apparently it has better low-light stabilization. So now I really need to go out and test it out for you to see which one is better. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!